Hey everyone, we're doing the Three Sister hike today. It's a nice morning, it will be hot today. Come with us and we're gonna enjoy the adventure. Those are the waterfalls we're gonna head into. Those are the Three Sister waterfalls. The hard part of this trail is that it requires a lot of technical stuff. You need to be able to climb rocks, after all the trouble, the view is well worth it. However, make sure safety first. Make sure you know what you're doing if you decide to attempt this trail. And remember, always expect the best and prepare for the worst. Bye, see you next time.